Hello friends, we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with the Quotex broker together in this video. We enter the Tradingfinder website and select the Binary Options Brokers section. The page for Binary Options Brokers opens and we select the Quotex broker. We click on the Go to Website option. We enter the Quotex broker's website, where we can simply open an account either through the Sign Up option or the Create a Free Account option. We click on the Sign Up option. After you enter the Sign Up page, you select the information related to the country you reside in. You choose the currency you want to base your account on, whether it's the dollar, euro, or any other currency you intend to trade with. You also need to provide the email address you have chosen for account registration, ensuring that you have not previously registered with it. Additionally, you must enter your chosen password. Make sure that your password includes uppercase and lowercase Latin letters, numbers, and symbols. You check both options, accept the broker's terms, and then click on the registration button. The account opening on the Quotex broker site has been completed, and in this section you see a box that notifies you that if you want to learn trading and familiarize yourself with the site step by step, click on the Continue option. If you do not wish to review these items, select the Skip option. After opening the account, you need to carefully verify the email you used for registration, so you will enter the Account section. In the Account section, you can view your account information, including the email address you used for registration and your ID in the Quotex broker. This section also displays the email address and shows the unverified label. You need to check the email you registered with. Look in the inbox and other folders. If you haven't received an email to confirm your email address, click on the Resend option. Currently, you are checking the inbox folder. As you can see, you have received the email verification in the inbox. Click on the Confirm the Email option. In this section, we see that the email status has changed to verified. In upcoming videos, we will provide explanations about identity verification and account confirmation, filling out various forms and personal information, as well as uploading documents for account verification. With the Quotex broker, we will go through the steps together, wishing you success and victory. Goodbye.